Hello guys, Flash here of Night. Today we're going to discuss about the new cryptocurrency on your Binance Smart Chain. It hasn't even launched. It will launch in about 20 or maximum of 1 hour, and we have to be ready. So hopping onto their website over here, UFO Protocol, the real fuel, taking you just not to the moon. We can buy it on Pancake swap using version 2 with BNB. So just make sure we swap BNB to UFOPRO. We need the slippage tolerance to be on 7% or more, or else it will not work. Scrolling a bit down on the UFO tokenomics, so there's a 2% directly to holders, reflection and reward directly to the holder wallet. There's a 2% going automatically into the liquidity pool, and there's a 2% marketing fee that is going automatically to the marketing wallet. So information about this token, this is going to be a stealth launch, so the developers itself will have to buy in. It's going to be listed on Pancake swap, and the liquidity is locked for 100 years. Getting onto the roadmap, so the private sale and the FCFS list listed on Pancake swap, lock liquidity until 2100, CoinGecko request, frequent Reddit post, Twitter contest, first YouTube video marketing campaign, CoinMarketCap request, Coin Hunt, Coin Sniper, Coin Paprika, Live Coin Watch and Blockfolio. As well, they want to get an audit and further ecosystem deployment and listing on CX. Here is the token allocation, so the private sale being 40%, FCFS list 14%, liquidity 24%, burn wallet 15 to 27% depends on the private sale, and initial marketing reserve 10%. I highly suggest guys going and joining the Telegram group. It has already 260 members and it hasn't even started launched yet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to check UFO. The links will be in the description, and I'll catch you into the next one.